Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the 2-minute drill. Today we talked about comparative advantage, specialization, and gains from trade. It's a key understanding in economics from David Ricardo. And so I want to kind of re-explore some of those things, and hopefully if you have questions, you'll come to class with those questions so I can answer them. Really what we want to look at first is the definition. We talked about gains from trade and comparative advantage specifically, but the definition of comparative advantage is to produce goods with the least amount of opportunity cost. So when you're deciding who's going to produce or what country is going to produce, you look for the one that has the least opportunity cost, or the least amount that they give up, and then based on that you make your decisions as to what to produce. And then by trading, you can definitely gain some advantage that way. We used 3 examples, and the first example was David and Ricardo, who were stranded on a deserted island. You can see here, for every 1 fish that David caught, he could have gotten 3 coconuts, so his opportunity cost was 3. For every 10 fish that Ricardo caught, he could have harvested 5 coconuts, and so his opportunity cost was a half a coconut. In that situation, you get to a place where Ricardo has a lower opportunity cost, so he needs to fish, and David needs to collect coconuts. The key part about all of this is when you look at the production possibilities frontier, they're able to trade and produce out beyond both of their production possibilities frontiers. And that's a key part of what we did. We also talked about beef and CD production as another example, and car detailing. So if you have questions about those, they're really practice problems, but you let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, that's it for the 2-minute drill.